In line with our crew survey and our 2030 vision for the agency, Training and Leader Development Division continues to enhance our standards in regards to correctional training. New applicants who are applying to work for the Texas Department of Criminal Justice will be provided a PAR-Q form. It's a physical activity readiness questionnaire. It's a self-reported form to identify areas of health concerns that they may have prior to starting the academy. If they identify an area that's of concern for them based on the questions that are provided, that individual is encouraged to go seek medical advice from their provider before coming to work for the Texas Department of Criminal Justice. If that individual is ready, we move on to what we consider to be phase one, the academic phase or academy phase of our correctional experience as part of the Correctional Professional Development Program, which is a brand new term for Texas Department of Criminal Justice. With our new overview, it's a 5-phase program designed to enhance the abilities and then also evaluation to see what they can do better the next time. Part of that phase one activity is learning all the rules and regulations and policies and procedures for Texas Department of Criminal Justice. We also put them through physical activity during that time where we complete a time standard physical agility test. If they complete that, then we continue with phase one. In phase one, we do performance-oriented training where we're providing them that education. We then measure that individual by the education that they received, by how they actually performed. What should have happened according to the education we provided them, what actually happened according to their performance-oriented piece that they completed, and then how can they do better the next time. And we continue with that until they are very proficient in those core competencies. Once that happens, then we move to phase two. In phase two, we consider that the unit experience. That's a 4-week phase of the 8-week academy. There they're provided 10 core functions and core competencies they must complete. Once you've done that, we consider you a graduate of our academy, our Correctional Professional Development Program. You move on at that time to what we consider phase 3, which is an on-the-job training phase. There we measure you in 7 core competencies as directly related to that unit activities and operations. So the unit readiness officers, who were the field training officers, will evaluate those individuals to establish whether or not those individuals can meet the core competencies there on that facility through the unit operations. Once that takes place and they do that, then they move on to what we consider to be phase 4, which is a unit mentoring phase. And they're paired with a mentor where they perform the essential functions of that mentor in that position for 40 hours. Once that is completed and they're evaluated and successful in that role, then we consider them completed with the Correctional Professional Development Program phases 1 through 4, and then move into phase 5, which is our training management system. That is continuous training that's ongoing. If we evaluate an individual that's got 30 years of service or 20 years of service and they're unable to continue to perform the essential functions of that core competency, then we provide them the education and ability to get up to speed in that area so that they're prepared to continue to move forward as our correctional professionals do today. We're excited to launch this new program, Correctional Professional Development Program, on April 16th. We believe it's going to enhance all of our correctional staff that are graduating from this program and have that continuous opportunity to show their proficiency throughout their career as correctional professionals.